Hey JVs, it's Paul here, and on behalf of myself and my business partner, launch partner Justin O'Pay, aka Pizza Builds, would like to invite you to our next launch, which is Monday the 18th of November at 9 AM Eastern. Well, this is another hot PLR launch, but this one's a little bit different. This is about chef cooking reels and recipes. Now, we feel like this is a really good topic to sell this time of the year because we're just round the corner from all of the festive seasons. So what your customers are going to get in this bundle is 500 chef cooking reels and recipes. There's lots and lots of great videos in there. You know, take a look yourself. Really good high quality PLR bundle, this one. So if you'd like a copy, just let me know and I'll send you over a copy of the PLR bundle. A good chunky funnel as well. The front end, we're going to be using the same sales page as what we normally use, but we've just adapted it to the chef cooking PLR bundle. There's going to be a nice funnel on the back of this as well, so you can make some good money with the upgrades, and also we've put our recurring offers on the back end part of the funnel as well, or OTO 4 and OTO 5, so you can make some recurring income that way if you make sales through there. And we're looking forward to getting this one out there on Monday. As I said, a really good offer that your customers will really like. So if you have been promoting any of our PLR launches over the last few months, very much appreciated. Thank you very much. This is another very good PLR bundle that I'm sure you and your customer would really enjoy going through. I certainly did. I've gone through the bundle myself and it's actually really good. So, you know, please take a look yourself before you promote it if you want to go through, so you can maybe do a more of a detailed review or a email. It's up to you. But we're going to be launching on Monday the 18th of November, 9 AM Eastern. So if you would like a copy, let us know. Good chunky funnel, good front end sales page. It's been optimized. It's been converting very well on previous launches. And this is another very similar launch, except this is to do with cooking recipes and reels. So 500 chef cooking reels and recipes in this bundle. So a really hot offer. We do also have a leaderboard as well. So the winner will be getting a $200 cash prize, whoever wins the contest. So yeah, we look forward to seeing you on the leaderboard. Any questions, please let us know. But that's it from me. Any questions, let us know. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you on the leaderboard on Monday the 18th of November. Any questions, let us know, either myself or Justin. If you want a copy, that's absolutely fine. Just let us know and we will send you one over. But thanks for taking the time of watching this video. Hopefully we will talk to you again very soon. Take care.